Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung smartphone. In this video I'll show you how to check if your Samsung phone is hacked. To check if your Samsung phone is hacked, look for the unusual behavior such as apps that you didn't install. You can go to settings and find apps. Here is the full list of all installed apps. Next, you can go to battery settings and check your battery life. One of the diagnoses when the phone is hacked is unusual drained battery life. Next, you can check excessive data usage. Also, you can encounter sudden pop-ups or ads. Next, you can check unknown apps running in the background. And you can also check for any unfamiliar apps or permissions by going to, again, apps in settings. And check for permissions. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.